Looking for the best gaming PC build under 50,000? Wondering if it's even possible to get high-performance gaming within this budget? Rest easy, as we're about to unveil a PC build that not only fits snugly within your budget, but also delivers an impressive gaming experience. First off, let's focus on the heart of any gaming rig, the processor. For this build, we're choosing the Intel Core i5-12400F. The 2400F is a 12-thread, 6-core processor that offers excellent performance for its price, ensuring your games run smoothly without any hiccups. Moving on, the motherboard is the foundation of your PC, and for this build, we're recommending the MSI Pro H6010M DDR4. This motherboard offers a solid balance of features and performance, and its DDR4 support means you'll be able to take full advantage of fast memory speeds. Speaking of memory, we're going with the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB at 3200 MHz for RAM. This high-speed memory kit will ensure your games and applications load quickly and run flawlessly. Plus, Corsair's reputation for reliability means you won't have to worry about any unexpected crashes or slowdowns. Next up, storage. For this build, we're recommending the crucial P3 1TB NVMe. With 1 TB of space, you'll have plenty of room for all your games, and the NVMe interface means lightning-fast load times. Powering this build is the Antec Neo Eco 550M. This power supply offers 550 watts of power, which is more than enough for our components, and its 80+ bronze certification ensures efficient operation. Now let's talk about the cabinet. The Ant Esports Ice 130AG is a compact, stylish case that offers excellent airflow to keep your components cool, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Last but not least, the graphics card. We're recommending the Galax GeForce GTX 1660 6GB. This card delivers excellent performance for its price, and its 6GB of VRAM will ensure your games look stunning. In summary, this gaming PC build under 50,000 offers an impressive balance of price and performance. It's a rig capable of running most modern games at high settings, ensuring you have a fantastic gaming experience without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking to get into PC gaming or just looking to upgrade your current setup, this build is a fantastic option to consider. Happy gaming!